Samosa is a popular snack in India that has a triangular shape and is filled with various delicious fillings. It is a perfect snack for any time of the day and can be found in almost every corner of the country. In this article, we will explore the history, preparation, and varieties of Indian samosa. History. The origins of samosas can be traced back to the Middle East and Central Asia. It is believed that traders brought samosas to India during the 13th, 14th century. Initially, samosas were made with mincemeat, onions, and spices, but later on, the recipe was adapted to suit the vegetarian population of India. Preparation. The preparation of samosas involves two main components: the filling and the outer covering. The filling can vary depending on the region, but the most common filling is made with boiled and mashed potatoes, green peas, and spices such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Other fillings can include mincemeat, onions, and cheese. The outer covering is made with flour, salt, and water. The dough is kneaded and then rolled into small circles. These circles are then cut in half and shaped into cones. The filling is then added to the cone, and the edges are sealed using water or a flour-water mixture. The samosas are then deep fried until they're golden brown and crispy. Varieties. Samosas come in different shapes and sizes, and the filling can vary depending on the region. Here are some of the most popular varieties of Indian samosas. Aloo samosa. Aloo samosa is the most popular variety of samosa in India. It is made with a filling of mashed potatoes, green peas, and spices. Meat samosa. This variety is made with mincemeat, onions, and spices. It is popular in the northern part of India. Vegetable samosa. Vegetable samosas are filled with a variety of vegetables such as carrots, beans, and cauliflower. It is a popular snack among vegetarians. Paneer samosa. Paneer samosas are filled with paneer, a type of Indian cheese, and spices. It is a popular snack in North India. Chocolate samosa. This is a modern twist on the traditional samosa. It is filled with chocolate and is popular among kids. Conclusion. Samosa is a popular snack in India that has become a part of the country's food culture. It is enjoyed by people of all ages and can be found in almost every corner of the country. The preparation and the fillings of samosas vary from region to region, making it a diverse and flavorful snack. If you ever get a chance to visit India, don't forget to try this delicious snack.